Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Spotify not showing songs in playlist. If you're using Spotify and you're facing the issue that your songs are not showing in your playlist, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing is that you just have to try to connect with a stable and the strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or the data, or you can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your app store. Just go for search and search for Spotify, and you just have to make sure that your Spotify app is updated. There is no any pending updates for your Spotify app. If you find, just try to update your app. After updating, your issue must have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. So you have to close your Spotify app. If you're playing, just close it from your recent apps, and then you have to quickly personalize the volume up and volume down. Then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just press the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, there's the only way. Just open your settings app here, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and here just look for Spotify app, and you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete app. So if you offload or try to delete your apps after offloading or deleting, just reinstall the app, and after reinstallation, if there will be any bug or any malware, it will be fixing this app and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.